As a candidate for Lincoln County Attorney, the issues most relevant to my office are those affecting public safety, the administration of justice, and county government. Voters in Lincoln County are most concerned about the following, not in any particular order. 1, public safety and crime. This is the core responsibility of a county attorney's office. Residents want prompt prosecution of violent crimes, strong enforcement against domestic violence, protection of children from abuse and exploitation, accountability for repeat offenders, and support for law enforcement, while ensuring fairness in the justice system. My 31 years of experience makes this one of my strongest issues. 2, drug abuse and mental health. Communities throughout western Wyoming continue to struggle with methamphetamine, fentanyl, addiction, and the lack of behavioral health resources. These problems contribute to property crime, child neglect, and domestic violence. Many communities are also looking for expanded treatment options alongside prosecution when appropriate. A robust treatment court program, which the state of Wyoming completely supports, provides some of these needed programs, but it is only one of many resources needed. 3, domestic violence and crime against children. This issue remains one of the most significant criminal justice issues facing rural counties. Victims often face barriers to reporting abuse, and prosecutors, law enforcement, victim advocates, and healthcare providers must work closely together to help them. This issue is a priority and one that is squarely within the responsibility of the county attorney. 4, growth while preserving community values. Lincoln County is experiencing growth from energy development, recreation, and people relocating to Wyoming. Growth creates challenges involving housing availability, infrastructure, increased demands on law enforcement and county services, land use disputes. Residents generally want responsible growth while maintaining the county's rural character. Housing values have increased substantially in recent years, and decisions made at the county and state level may impact values. It is my responsibility as county attorney to provide the county, including the commissioners, planning and zoning, and other departments with legal advice, including potential impacts about the decisions they make. 5, property rights. Property rights are consistently among the most important issues for Lincoln County residents. Concerns include federal land management, water rights, eminent domain, access issues, and protection of private property. Although much of this issue is handled through civil law rather than criminal prosecution, the county attorney advises county officials on legal matters that affect these issues. 6, economic stability. Residents want good paying jobs, support for local businesses, energy development balanced with environmental stewardship, agriculture remaining viable, tourism without sacrificing the quality of life. Economic stability also influences crime rates and the demand for county services. 7, county government accountability. Many voters want county government to operate efficiently, spend taxpayer dollars responsibly, be transparent, follow the law without political favoritism. The county attorney plays an important role in advising county officials and helping ensure legal compliance. I would also play an important role with my office being transparent and providing the public, when appropriate, with information on how I am advising the county officials and what I am doing. 8, juvenile justice. The county attorney handles juvenile delinquency, neglect, abuse, and CHANS, which are children in need of supervision cases, residents increasingly recognize that early intervention can reduce future crime while still holding young offenders accountable. 9. Election integrity and following the law. Election procedures remain an important topic for many Wyoming voters. Regardless of individual opinions about elections policy, the county attorney's duty is to uphold and enforce the election laws enacted by the legislature and interpreted by the courts. Final 10, access to justice. In a rural county, people want confidence that cases are handled promptly, victims are treated with dignity, defendants receive due process, and decisions are based on facts and the law, not politics.